This 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS330SI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a breezy beige interior, sleeps 6, skylight, water heater, spare tire kit, air conditioning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, TV, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS330SI is 7,547 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.